This is Todd HUDGEL with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. It's kind of a wet, wintry day outside, so I thought I'd do a video inside of this Grady-White 325 Freedom. And interestingly, the topic I've chosen for today is weather protection. Grady-White's Freedom series of dual console boats like this 325 offers more seating, more comfortable seating, and better weather protection than the comparable center console. It also offers tons of fishing room in the back here where we do most of our fishing, even more so than the comparably sized center console. This full enclosure around the helm area, this huge hardtop, and this full windshield protects you from the sun, wind, rain, and spray year-round, which extends your boating season down here through the fall, winter, and spring. Better weather protection, more seating, more comfortable seating, gives you more days on the water, and gives you more boating for your dollar. Come by MarineMax Panama City Beach, see this boat for yourself. Let's talk about why a dual console may be your next offshore fishing boat.